Good morning, welcome to the Cotswolds. This is leg 7 of our journey along the Cotswold Way. Yeah, so today we are out and about, starting at the Edgemoor Inn where we finished leg 6. So it's about a 10-mile walk to Barrow Wake. So there's just 6 of us today. It is slightly chilly. I mean, it is January, so, but I guess it's mild for January, but a little bit nippy. Was raining a bit earlier, but the forecast is for it to brighten up, so fingers crossed. So that sign says we've got 47 miles left of the Cotswold Way and we've done 55, so we're only just over halfway. I thought we were a lot further in than that, but still, by the end of the day, it will only be 37, so love a little wooden bridge. Nice little stream. So we're in Painswick now. This is St Mary's Church. There is a law, a fable, that basically says that the devil will permit 99 yew trees to be planted in the churchyard, but every time 100th yew tree is planted, he'll come along and dig it up or kill it. But clearly the devil can't count, because apparently on the last count there was 102 yew trees in the churchyard. Maybe he's got more other pressing matters on his mind at the moment. So I came out of Painswick up the road, and now we're walking across, I guess it's Painswick Common. There's a golf course here, woodland where we've oriented a few times in the past. So yeah, nice views across the valley. And runners. So this is a quarry where they're quarrying the Cotswold stone that goes to make all these pretty walls and buildings around the area. You see that massive, great big saw? Doesn't look like it's been used for a while, but still. And look, loads of blocks of stone ready to go off. So this is Painswick Beacon, another Iron Age hillfort. Sun's come out. It is improving, yeah. So we just stopped for lunch in the woods. Skies are still threatening to be blue. And we're coming into the woods at Cooper's Hill Nature Reserve. So this is Cooper's Hill, and this is where each spring hundreds of people gather here and they get a big, I think £9 double Gloucester cheese and roll it down from the top, and hundreds of people run and chase it all the way down, risking life and limb in the process. So yeah, madmen and women and boys and girls. So just down there, can't really make it out, is a Roman villa. So about 25 AD, so about 2,000 years, people have been enjoying these views. I'm sure they would have come up here. Sun's out. Ah, it's such beautiful light. Love it. This is the Missing Link A417 bypass they're doing, coming out of Cheltenham up to the air balloon roundabout, building a dual carriageway that connects that to Cirencester. So this is Barrow Wake, pretty much the end of our journey. So yeah, the burial on Iron Age, early Iron Age grave where they found a woman obviously of high importance, buried between two men, possibly bodyguards, who knows. And with her they found a bronze mirror, which is a particularly fine example. Can be seen in the Gloucester Museum. And that is the end of our journey today. Thanks for watching. I'll leave the route as normal, and I'll see you next time.